you really looking at making, at the end of the day, $1,500 on the whole job.
Yeah.
And who want to do that?
Man, these phones, bro, I'm getting tired of this shit. The batteries ain't staying charged, and then the screen protector ain't about shit. My fucking screen broke. No, my screen is broke.
Well, the battery should be good. We tested
These
the battery.
batteries, my shit, look. My shit's dead, bro.
Okay, so how am I supposed to know when you charged it? When did you charge it?
These phones was just charged. Literally, so 100%. Like 45 minutes ago.
45 minutes ago.
And I haven't been on my shit.
Yeah, but you cracked your screens out.
Oh, no, that's the screen protector, bro. Like,
cracked right here.
Huh?
That was cracked in the corner.
Yeah, that's because those screen protectors ain't shit. Yeah, look,
why?
you see, I still listen. You see, I still got my screen protector on, right?
Yeah.
Now, if I drop this bitch with the screen protector on, the only thing to break is the screen protector, right?
No, it's not true. It's just an extra layer of protection. That's all it is.
Plain and fact.
Nothing protects your phone. Nothing is. I don't care. You can have the thickest Otterbox.
But you need one.
You could have. It doesn't matter. You drop it, you break it. Doesn't matter what you had, brother.